outside aircraft, pull down on the red tab on the front or blow into the red tube. Make your shoulder tube like the vest. The vest is equipped with water economic. Trash items that are in your seat area. If there are any menus or any safety information cards that are on the floor, please place them in a safe pocket in front of you. Greatly appreciated. Ladies and gentlemen, I got final descent into the Orlando area. To greatly appreciate your assistance. Friendly Canada for landing. At this time, please fill laptops, computer bags, purses, backpacks, all of those bags completely under the seats in front of you. Stow those tray tables up. Make sure your seatbelts securely fastened and visible.
Buzzing in my air like a bee. Maybe you could chill.
안녕하세요. Shawty, you beneficent for real. Tell me how it feel to be the one I meet. Only need a week with you, baby. You so bad, I cannot speak. Shawty, where you been at? I wish I known you sooner, so we hit the mat like judo. But I guess it's all okay though, cause we jumping on a plane. US dollars to some pesos on my mind like I'm
like the golden days at the beach. Family buzzing in my air like a big beat. Maybe you could chill. All this stuff I have up in my head, I just wanna do. Maybe if you can hang, you can meet the crew. We can even chill out at the park like we did in school. Take you back to when you was a
Y'all, it's a nice day out here. It's very beautiful, the trees. And I think the beach, Miami Beach, is not too far away from where I'm at.
No options. If I finally tell the truth, then I'm telling it to you. What if we could plan it out? Cover for a week, pass for a day, we. You can come and be my babe, you can see what a gentleman I am. Yeah. What if we could plan it out? Party in the streets, like the golden days at the beach. Family buzzing in my air like a bee. Maybe you could chill.
안녕하세요. Shawty, you beneficent for real. Tell me how it feels to be the one I meet. Only need a week with you, baby. You so bad, I cannot speak. Shawty, where you been at? I wish I known you sooner, so we hit the mat like judo. But I guess it's all okay though, cause we jumping on a plane. US dollars to some pesos on my mind like I'm insane. You my babe, we can go wherever you want. I got lemon in my water and this rose that you got on. Make me feel like I'm the man, but I can't wait to meet you. We could kick it with this 4-course meal.
Y'all, Pop Shelf got everything. I am in heaven in Orlando at my Pop Shelf. Everything is amazing, especially this season right here, this little session. This is really pretty. Hey guys, I don't know what day it is, but this is our OOTD of the day. You guys, I made it. If you can see, there is the beach right there all, you can see the water all back there splashing up. I made it. I made it. I made it. She made it. Let me see. Right there, you should be able to see some. There you go, right there.
How big that was. This thing was like this short. This big. Bro, these things are scary.
Look at this one.
Y'all seen those spiders so seven? It was like.
Hey guys, it is Friday, no, it is Saturday, May, I think it's the 28th or the 27th. I'm just taking a walk here in this beautiful, beautiful neighborhood, and I gotta get my steps in. However, I went to the beach and stuff, but that wasn't enough. So I'm getting my steps in. Hopefully you guys can, well, you guys can see me, but yeah. It is a beautiful, 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 beautiful area. Quiet, people are still out. Probably can hear. But that's it, y'all. I'm gonna end this vacation vlog here, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that I was able to show you. All right, guys. Always remember to love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Hey guys, it's the last day of the other day.